Okay, so what I'm going to be talking about today is the Pirate Customize. It's a free asset from Unity. So I said, oh, let me go ahead and download this one. And this is what the asset looks like. Ahoy, mate. Okay. All right. So I went ahead and downloaded this particular pirate. And now I'm going to jump into Unity. What I did, I went to Windows, I went to Package Manager, and let me go to Pirate. And there goes the pirate. I clicked on Download, and then I clicked on Import. Now, this is going to be something a little bit different. Here in the pirate, I'm going to go to the Project tab. I'm going to go to the root folder Assets, and then I'm going to go to Pirate. I'm going to go down to the Scenes folder. I'm going to double click on the demo. And then the demo, they have the pirate. I'm going to click on play. Let me maximize this. And there you go. So you have him clothed, him without a coat, him without a shirt. And look at that. Now you notice that he was sitting. What I did, I had added an animation to him. When you first download it, it only comes with a walk animation, but I went ahead and downloaded an idle and a sitting position animation. So how did I do that? How did I add an animation to him? So let me go to the animation test folder, and what came originally with it was the walking animation. And I added idle and sitting. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and add some more animations to him. I want to have him, I don't know, maybe yawn or something. So let me go ahead and go proceed over to Mixamo. We are at Mixamo, and I'm going to redo this over from scratch just to show you. I'm going to click on Upload Character. I'm going to go to Unity. Okay, so I have Mixamo up. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab the pirate. And what I have to do, I have to grab his mesh. And here goes his mesh. It has everything in him. I'm going to drag it over. And Unity is going to upload the pirate. And as you can tell, it takes like less than 30 seconds. Now, normally when you put a mesh up in Mixamo, sometimes it might ask you if it comes up like a T pose, you'll have to drag like the hip, like a hip around the circle, where the wrists are, where the neck is. And all you have to do is drag, and Mixamo will show you what to drag. But in this particular example, I didn't have to do that. It found all the bones, it mapped all the bones correctly. Okay, here it goes. Like I said, less than 30 seconds, depending upon your computer speed. There it is. So I didn't have to match anything with his bones or anything. It did it correctly. So I'm just gonna click next. It was really easy. Your 3D character has been uploaded. Proceed with this character. Your previous character will not be saved. Well, that's fine. It's the same character. Okay. So now he's in the T position, which is excellent. And let's see. What did I say? I wanted him to yawn or something. I'll put yawn. Couldn't think of anything because he's going to be in a room sitting. He's going to sit down on a stool. Do they have yawn? How about wave? Oh, there it is. There's yawn. I thought they had yawn, but they only had it in the female, and that's okay. Ah, he's tired. I think he's going to sit down. Okay, that's good. So I'm going to go ahead and download it. I'm going to download it with the skin. I'm going to download. I'm going to click on FBX for Unity. And then I'm going to click on download. This is awesome. Okay, so I went ahead and downloaded it. Now all I have to do, since it's in my download folder, all I have to do is just drag it on over into the project. So I'm going to go back under Pirate Animation Test. All I have to do is drag the yawn onto the folder. And then now it's importing. I love this. So I have that downloaded. There goes the yawn. Let me maximize this. So I'm going to click on the arrow, and you see there's the animation right there. It's got the root where everything is mapped correctly. And I have the yawn. So he's going to yawn. So let me go into, I'm going to bring up my other one. Well, no, let me show you this. I don't want to confuse anybody. So I'm going to go to Pirate 01. I'm going to click on Inspector, and I'm going to double click on Animator Controller. Right now, I have it, and it does idle and then sitting idle. Well, you know what? I want him to yawn after he does his idle. So I'm going to go to the animation test folder, and I'm going to put Pirate Yawn. I'm going to have him only, I think I'll do it this way. And let me delete this transition. So I'm going to go to Pirate, that's in the scene, and it has animator controller. I'm going to double click on the animator controller. The animator comes up, and there goes the tab animator. So what I want to do is, I'm going to click on Alt, hold down the Alt key. I'm going to hold down the left mouse key to center my animator screen. And my default animation is idle. And how I did that, I just right clicked and hold on. I right clicked and I clicked on set as layer default state. And you have to have that in order to start the animator. So this is his idle animation. And now, actually, I'm going to delete that one. I'm going to make this one I'm going to set that one as the layer. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to click on make a transition. I'm going to have the transition go to yawn. And then I'm going to right click, and I'm going to have the yawn go to sit. Uh-oh. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to click on game. I want to show you what it looks like. I'm going to hit play. There goes idle, and it shows you right there on the screen the animation that it's doing is going to idle. Once it's finished, it goes to yawn. Oh, God, I'm tired. It's getting dark outside. And now he's going to sit down. And if you only want the animation to do it one time, you just click on this transition and you delete it, and he'll only do it one time. So that's what we want to do just for this particular video. Just want to do a quick demo. I'm going to hit save on that. I'm going to open up my test scene. I just threw a little picture in there from Dash 3D. I didn't render it very well. You can tell there's some touch-ups that it needed to do. It usually does it pretty good. I was surprised it had any white dots in it. I was shocked. Well, anyway, this is just for this video. And this is a pirate room. And there goes the pirate. I just threw some free chair and a stool in there. So let me go ahead and look at the pirate. He has idle, yawn, and sitting because I saved it. And as you can tell, when I opened up a new scene, it still had that. So let me go ahead and hit play. And there he goes. He's idle. And I think he's going to be yawning pretty soon. It's going to be getting dark. And there he goes. He sits down. Excellent. So I wanted to show you all Mixamo and this free pirate asset that I'm really excited about. I can put this pirate character in some of the free 3D assets that they have on Unity. So in the next video, I'm going to be putting him in a town next to an ocean along with other characters. Well, I hope everybody has a great day and happy coding.